Hi, I'm Britlish and I'm here to bring you today's phrase of the day. Today's phrase is, no strings attached. When we say that something has no strings attached, we mean that what is offered is given without special demands, restrictions, or limits. An opportunity with no strings attached is one that you can rely on to be without hidden conditions. An example of an offer with no strings attached is the 48-hour free pass to the Britlish Library of English Lessons. A Britlisher account at Britlish.com also comes with no strings attached because it's completely free of charge and you get a host of useful English material too. All Britlishers can enjoy 48 hours of free access to the Britlish Library with no strings attached. Better still, if you choose to continue to have access to the Britlish Library after your 48-hour free pass expires, you can pay what you want for access. We created the Britlish Library to help students around the world improve their English skills regardless of their financial means. At Britlish, we don't strive to get rich from our students, we strive to enrich our students' lives by improving their English language skills. After all, English is the key to success in the modern world. You can get your free 48-hour Britlish Library pass from your Britlish account page today and be sure that there are absolutely no strings attached. If you want more phrases of the day, please click the like button and leave a comment. I'll be back.